The web of life, our vital dependency. The relationship between humans and the natural world is often misunderstood. While humans frequently view themselves as the masters of the earth, our survival is actually deeply rooted in a complex web of interdependence. We do not merely live alongside plants and animals. We are entirely dependent on them for our most fundamental needs. Without the biological diversity of the planet, human civilization would cease to exist. Plants serve as the primary foundation of nearly every ecosystem on Earth. Through the process of photosynthesis, plants convert sunlight into energy and, more importantly, release the oxygen that humans require to breathe. Furthermore, plants are the base of the global food chain. Every calorie consumed by humans can be traced back to a plant, whether directly through fruits and vegetables or indirectly through the consumption of animals that eat plants. Without this botanical foundation, the energy required to sustain human life would vanish. Animals play equally critical roles in maintaining the balance of our environment. Many species, particularly insects like bees and butterflies, are responsible for pollination. This biological service is essential for the production of many of the crops that feed the human population. Additionally, animals such as worms and bacteria act as decomposers, breaking down organic matter and enriching the soil. This nutrient cycling ensures that the earth remains fertile enough to support both plant and human life. Despite this vital connection, human activities are increasingly threatening this delicate equilibrium. Deforestation, pollution, and habitat destruction are causing a rapid decline in biodiversity. When we lose species, we weaken the entire ecosystem. The loss of a single insect species might seem insignificant, but it can lead to a chain reaction that ultimately affects food security and human health. We often underestimate how much a disruption in nature will eventually result in adverse consequences for humanity. In conclusion, it is a mistake to believe that humans can thrive independently of the natural world. The services provided by plants and animals, ranging from oxygen production to soil fertilization, are irreplaceable. Protecting our planet's biodiversity is not simply an act of kindness toward nature. It is a necessary strategy for human survival. To preserve ourselves, we must first preserve the magnificent web of life that sustains us. Vocabulary list. Questions. Write T if the statement is true according to the passage, and F if the statement is false. 1. Humans are capable of surviving without the oxygen produced by plants. 2. The food chain begins with plants because they convert sunlight into energy. 3. Animals are only important to humans because they serve as a source of meat. 4. Pollination by insects is a key factor in the production of human food crops. 5. Decomposers such as worms help keep the soil healthy and fertile. 6. The passage suggests that human civilization has successfully mastered the Earth's ecosystem. 7. A reduction in biodiversity can lead to negative impacts on human food security. 8. Deforestation is mentioned as a way to help maintain the balance of nature. 9. The author believes that protecting plants and animals is a matter of human self-interest. 10. The web of life refers to the complex interdependence between different living organisms.